Look at this website listing on the screen. It gets daily 0 visitors, it makes exactly $0 in revenue, but an American buyers just paid $450 in cold hard cash for it. Why? Because this site has on a special stamp of approval from Google, Google News approved. In 2026, the people playing the smart game online are not selling content, they are selling authority. Massive US SEO expert and marketer are desperate for a website where they can publish an article and have it indexed on Google in under 2 minutes. And the ultimate cheat code to getting that Google trust in the Google news base. Today I am going to show you how to spend just $50 to build a simple website, fill it with AI generated article, secure that Google News approval, and flip that exact same site for $300 to $500. No SEO knowledge required, no struggling for traffic. This is pure digital real estate flipping. Step 1. The concept of this business very simple. You buy a empty plot of land, put up a fence, stick a Google sign on it, and sell it for a massive markup. First, you need a tier 1 niche domain. The highest selling niche on Flippa are finance, crypto, EV cars, or US tech news. Go to Namecheap or Hostinger and grab a .com domain with basic hosting for about $15. Install WordPress. Do not waste time for fancy design. Install a clean, lighting fast-paced news theme like GeneratePress or Astra. Your site need to look like a professional objective US news portal. Keep it clean, keep it fast. Step 2. To get approved by Google News, your site needs content. But you are not going to sit there and type news manually. Go to ChatGPT or Claude. Write a professional 400-word news article about the latest Apple AI update. Keep the tone journalistic, objective, and strictly factual. Repeat this process across different categories like AI, gadget, and cybersecurity until you have 30 to 40 content published on your site. But here is the $1 million cheat code. Google News bots hates fake login site. To pass the manual review, your site absolutely must have an About Us, a contact page, a privacy policy, and a professional author box under every post. Make the Google bots believe this is a real media company. The site is ready, the content is live. Now play the game. Search for the Google Publisher Center, add your website here, it is 100% free. Take your website RSS feed link and submit into the Publisher Center. Fill out your publication's basic information, upload a clean logo and hit submit. Now you wait on to 2 weeks. Google team will review your site. If your design is cleaned and your policy page are in place, you will receive the ultimate status update live. Step 4. Your product is ready. Now time to cash out. Take your freshly approved site straight to flippa.com and create a listing. Make sure your title is the value like Google News approved your text site fast indexing. You can also bypass flipping fees by posting the site directly into massive global SEO group or website flipping group on Facebook. American and European SEO expert lurk in this group and they will buy this ready-made site in a heartbeat. Now question is why will not they? Paying you $400 for a ready to go auto indexing site is much cheaper than spending 2 months doing the work himself. And for you this is 95% pure profit margin. So viewers, spend just $15 today, get your domain and start setting up your fast news site. In my next video, I am going to expose the exact ChatGPT prompt I used to completely bypass AI detector, ensuring every article is 100% human and gets approved by Google News instantly. So viewers, see you next video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.